back. You're watching Times Now. Remember, we had told you how Chief Minister KCR had given out threats saying that he's going to chop up the BJP chief into 6 pieces. Now, KTR has come out and justified the remarks of his father. In fact, he stood by him saying that even the BJP leaders make such several threats, both of them defiant and completely unrepentant.
BJP leaders and even massive controversy erupted after CM KCR has made few statements against BJP president, stating that he will first pull out the tongue and later cut into the pieces. How would you see this? And being a chief minister, is this right? Speaking like this in this language, and even a few leaders said that they will escalate the matter to Amit Shah. And how do you see this? Even your leaders are saying that first of all BJP leaders should hold their tongues, then we will hold our tongues. This is what is said. What is this controversy?
There's no controversy. In fact, a lot of things get lost in translation. In the last 7.5 years, we have tolerated a lot of personal abuse. Mr. Bandi Sanjay, Mr. Arvind, and there are several other, wannabe leaders in Telangana who have been abusing our chief minister left, right, and center. We have tolerated all personal abuse. We have tolerated all their nonsense so far along. But when it came to protecting the interest of farmers, we will not tolerate any such nonsense. When Mr. Bandi Sanjay, the local BJP president, tries to provoke farmers and create a law and order situation, we will not tolerate it. So our Honorable Chief Minister was very right in expressing his anger, because when it comes to protecting the interest of millions of farmers of Telangana, TRS will never budge.
Well, let me go across to Shomit. Shomit, it's appalling. Not just the chief minister giving out death threats, now his son, also a minister in the Telangana government, coming out and saying he was very right in doing it. Not even an apology, all we get is defiance.
Well, Meghna, this whole thing started, a few days ago. A war of words continued between both the parties, TRS and BJP. And even, when BJP leaders said that the farmers in the Telangana should cultivate paddy. And immediately after that, CM KCR came out and conducted a press conference stating that, BJP leaders are bluffing. And, if at all, he has even given threats to the BJP leaders, including the TS BJP president, said that he will first pull out the tongue. And on the next day in the press conference, he said that, actually, TS BJP president has said that, he will plow the farmers of the CM KCR. Then he said if he steps at his farmers, then he will be found in the 6 pieces. That's how, threats were given. And after that, the protest call was given. And today, statewide in Telangana, all the big leaders have staged a protest. And we have reached Sirsila town where KTR has staged a protest. And we have asked him a few questions about this. And he has made very interesting statements and, about staging protests in Delhi, as well as when we asked that about these threats, he clearly said that CM KCR was very right about his statement, because expressing his anger against, BJP when they are going against the farmers is very much right. And this is what, KTR has said. And very much interesting statements. He has raised many other issues also, aspects also.
Well, thank you so much for joining us. But we'll have to wait and see if there is any kind of legal action against the chief minister who's given out an open death threat. Of course, his son and also a Telangana minister now backing him.